Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UXIN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. Does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I like to do this analysis. Thing does a good job, especially in this case, of showing just how crazy things have been. I mean, stop and think about the fact that not that long ago the price was down around here, and now all of a sudden the price is all the way up there just a couple of days later. So 30-minute time frame, really doing like I said, in my opinion, a great job of showing just how crazy this chart has been. But after today's price movement, certainly some updates need to be made. First, I'm going to do, though, is some house cleaning and just get rid of a bunch of these lines. Sure, these lines pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter all over the place. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. First update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going into today, that 320-ish area, or excuse me, 325 was an area of resistance, but now that the price is up above it, you would want to see it act as support, and that rule played out perfectly today. You can see on the pullback right there, found some support. So that's, certainly the ideal price movement that you want to continue to see going forward. Now, in the event the price falls below 325, I'm not saying that implies the entire chart is destroyed or anything like that, because not that far away, you then have the purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average, currently valued at $2.93. So again, yeah, staying above 325, that would definitely be the best sign of power. But if the price doesn't quite hold above there, you do still have that level of support down around 293. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, keep an eye on the pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the 200-period moving average. Definitely a very famous level within the world of charts. And you can see that the price essentially got rejected by it right there. So while I'm not saying it's impossible to break above that level, I'm just saying it makes sense why the price did struggle and stumble right up around that area there. But all in all, great movement today, and it'll be interesting to see how this one continues to play out and see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.